Welcome back to the vlog. What's cracking? We are throwing it back to the 90s for this one. We're going back to Rye, New York, where we grew up as a family, and we are doing an American style brunch. I'm super excited for this one. It's going to be, ooh, so filling and just like, naughty. So I am making or recreating our favorite ice cream from Longford's ice cream shop in Rye, New York. It's so famous in the area. They used to make, or they do make, a Cookie Monster ice cream. Cookie Monster. So it's cookies and it's blue. Those are two ingredients. Cookies and blue. Yeah. And I don't have a churner, but I found a recipe where it's all about whisking. So let's whisk, baby. I have my cream in a frozen bowl, and I have blueberries that have been sitting in water all day. I didn't want to buy blue food coloring, so I'm just going to start mixing this in. Hopefully it goes blue, not purple. Otherwise I'll have to go buy some. So we'll start mixing this in real slow. Let's see if we can get a blue hue going. Feel down in plums, you know what that thing is? Problem? So the blueberry thing didn't work. And I don't know if I've diluted my cream too much, so I'm just gonna have to whisk, and if not, I'm gonna have to get up super early. Whew. Right, I was this close to just pouring that milk down, or the cream down the sink, because I had added so much water. So I think it might be more like iced cream tomorrow. So I'm actually gonna do a trial batch. If it's not great, then I'll just go and get more tomorrow and do it in the morning. We'll have ice cream anyway. So it has whipped, and I've had to put it into 2 pots because there's so much. But we got there in the end. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this one into blueberry and honey. So I'm gonna add honey, and I'm gonna chop up those blueberries rather than put them to waste. So that'd be beautiful too. I'm tired, boy. Up all night, past midnight doing the sourdough, and now I gotta go get the stuff for the Cookie Monster, obviously, because I messed that up last night with the blueberry. Yeah, so we got some jobs to do. Right, we got the goods, baby. Back at it again. Creams, but this will be the game changer. All right, let's get to it. Workout has been delayed, but sourdough has been made, and it's beautiful. Shawnee wants a slice, don't you, Shawnee?
I do, boy.
Time for an ass whooping. So it's a barbell complex with 5 exercises, 10 reps, and then a mini run. Ooh. Done. About 20 minutes, just over. Oh, Shawnee. Oh, shit. I know Harry didn't do this, but as always, we finish at the top of the stairs.
finish. Top of the stairs always. And that's how we finish up.
Always up top. Well done. Well, Johnny. So, that was a great session. Absolutely blew it. 20 minutes we're looking at. Woo-wee. Deserved before our big brunch. Mahi first, treat second. Whew. I've been getting dressed up and I'm pretty sure I have an old ice hockey jersey somewhere in here that I used to wear, obviously playing. So here's my box of jerseys and my dad's stuff as well. And I feel like there might be something at the bottom of here. If not, somewhere in here. Going through, it's all just rugby jerseys. I think the ice hockey jerseys made their way to Boston to our parents' house, which is unfortunate for today, but that's all right. This is going to be my co-lid. This is going back to Rye. This is my first ever lid, I think. If I had to go back in time. First hat I remember buying. Co-lid, baby. PB&J. We're good. Hands on the shoes. Sourdough. Mud cups. With tape. And shamey. Absolutely nailed it. Pizza bagels. So we got now.
Chicken wings and cauliflower wings.
That's a New York get up as well. This is old school. This is my first ever lid. The piece de resistance. Wow! That is what? It's my favorite ice cream.
It's not vanilla ice cream.
I'm talking about it. Oh my god. Longwords, I'm coming for you. Really? Fire. Just like Ryan. Ooh, that was a fantastic brunch. What a throwback. At first I was like a little skeptical of portion sizes. You know, we had like half a sandwich here, a couple wings, and I was like, oh, I think I'm gonna be hungry after this. But then I forgot that we had so many desserts, and that was actually just the starters. And God, the family nailed it once again. So we're gonna have a think. We don't know what we're gonna do next weekend, but it's definitely gonna be epic. Now time to get back to work.